Have you ever wondered if you could give someone else access to your Neon account? Maybe you want your partner to pay a bill, or you want a friend to transfer some money for you while you're traveling. It's a tempting idea, a simple solution to a common problem. But is it safe? Is it even allowed? And what could happen if you do? These are the questions we're tackling today, and the answers might surprise you. When you sign up for a Neon account, you're not just getting a shiny new card and an app, you're entering into a legal agreement. This agreement, the terms and conditions you probably scrolled past without reading, states that your account is for your use only. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a rule that's there to protect you and your money. Sharing your login details, your password, or your card with anyone else is a direct violation of this agreement. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? I trust this person. And that's fair. But here's where it gets complicated. When you share your access, you're essentially giving up the security blanket that Neon provides. If something goes wrong, if that person makes a mistake, or worse, if they act maliciously, you have very little recourse. Neon's fraud detection systems and customer support are designed to protect you, the account holder, from unauthorized activity. But if you're the one who authorized the activity, even if it was a mistake, you're on your own. Think about it like this. Your Neon account is like your personal, digital wallet. You wouldn't hand your physical wallet to a friend and tell them to go shopping for you, would you? You wouldn't give them your bank card and PIN and say, hey, go withdraw some cash for me. Of course not. That's because you know it's a bad idea. The same logic applies to your digital wallet. The risks are just as real, if not more so, because the digital world moves faster. So, what are the alternatives? If you need someone else to handle a financial task for you, what can you do without breaking the rules and putting your finances at risk? One of the simplest solutions is to use shared expenses or joint accounts. Many apps and services, including Neon, offer ways to split bills and manage shared money without giving up your security. If you and your partner want to manage household expenses together, a joint account is a perfect solution. It gives both of you full, legal access to the funds and ensures that both of you are protected under the terms of service. Another option is to use money transfer services. If a friend needs to pay a bill for you, the safest and easiest way is for you to send them the money yourself through a secure transfer. This way, you maintain control of your account, and they get the funds they need to complete the task. Finally, and this is a big one, if you're ever in a situation where you feel pressured to share your account details, take a step back and think. A legitimate request for your financial information will never come from a friend or family member asking for your password. If a company needs to access your account, they'll have secure, official channels to do so. Your login information is the key to your financial life, and you should never, ever share it with anyone. The bottom line is this: sharing your Neon account, or any financial account for that matter, is a risk you don't need to take. It violates your agreement with the service, it compromises your security, and it leaves you vulnerable to a wide range of potential problems. There are always safer, more secure alternatives available. Don't cut corners when it comes to your financial safety. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.